Scott's home. Today we are, it's pretty big. We're going ocean fishing.
Let's go check it out. Careful for that line there. Fish?
No, you're not gonna see them.
Well, we saw manatees swimming around. You might see dolphins swimming around.
Yeah, well, there's definitely First time I just want to go down the ocean is full of life, and there's like a lot of weird stuff. It's true mystery. You never know what you're gonna catch. So I'm excited to see what we catch. Alright, we're fishing and we're going for bunch. And I've already gotten a bunch, but we're gonna see if I can get to number one.
Great.
Oh yeah, one's on. Get off, no, I got off. Try that again.
A little more line, sir. There you go. Are you going down still?
Nope.
You can say let a little bit more up off you.
Oh. Yep. What's over there? It makes me like a bump.
By the time you go on the internet, it's that combo account of Reef. If you're wrapped around his leg or like inside his thigh, that's awesome.
Hey, buddy.
He does that.
Come on.
I
No, you got somebody. Real buddy. You got somebody.
Well, something.
You got something.
Oh, there we go.
Whoa, what the heck is
Wait,
that?
That's
Sea
a
bass.
bass.
Sea bass.
Black sea bass. It also tastes good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's too small.
Sheriff.
It's not a black sea bass though. I've heard the black ones are the tastiest ones.
Like inside his thigh.
Those are the best ones.
Okay.
Ooh, sea bass. Add that to the list now. Oh, there we go. That's what rough looks like.
Yeah. Wrong.
You want to see it on the camera.
Oh, I got it. I got her.
There you go.
You're good. What's your seventh drunk?
You already got that. No,
This
take
one
the
doesn't
line.
like that. It's just
Real
easy.
up. Because you'll be fishing with
This
no
one
weight.
isn't going down. There we go.
You might be putting my head straight on it. A lot of times the bait will fall right on it. Huh?
Come on.
You got my bait. You don't want to leave a hook. Dead hook.
And then raise
Oh, yeah.
it up a little bit.
See. That one.
Nice.
Good one. Good one. There we go. That is a grunt.
You grunted it. Well, bring it in.
Bucket.
That's how you grunt it.
Hey, check bucket.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think they cleared it out.
I got a lot of them so far.
I see one.
I see one. Yes.
We threw the rest back. They're too
Green's
small.
good today.
Yeah, what the heck? That's the one I've been feeding. Yeah. Look at the size of that guy. Woo-wee! That's a real fish.
Where I'm gonna have a good time around the ocean. It's a very tipsy turny. It's the waves.
See where's anger that day, my friend.
Yeah, he's trying to hook the anchor, but we'll get there soon. I see they have like real life bait. It's like, yeah, like real bait. It's an interesting anchor.
Now, do they put the fish on the pole already and then throw it in? That'd be an easy way to do it. You gotta hook the shark from that cooler and then toss them in.